Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I have professional Facebook cover, and these cover are multi-purpose. You can use everywhere like fashion or music. We create future and create business ideas and join our creative team final, so you can edit it and you can import your own logo, own picture, or you can provide your own detail. First I drag this file to Photoshop, and you see here in layer area, here is border and logo. You see logo, you import your own logo here. URL your website.com, I mean your website here, and here is button. You see more here, and next is text. We provide our detail, and last is images. Just simply you can import your own image here. For example, I open this file and drag there, right click, create clipping mask, and you see our design is here, and select you select this shape, press FX, create and click on gradient overlay. You can apply any other gradient overlay like this, depend your own choice. Here is better, or you can adjust a simple color like her dress color. Opposite is, so depend your own choice. Sorry for background noises, and I think current overlay is better, and you can more edit it. Okay, and we need font, and font is here, font file. You can select this and go to download button. Here we write welcome here for free data. So you write your own URL. I know you can do better, and very easy and very simple. Just drag and drop your image here, write your any text or your details. Same thing is here. Open any other file, drag this file, and you see our design, or you can adjust, press shift. I think here is better. You see our design is ready. Stay focused and know more on our strings 10 new extra feature. So provide your more detail, or you can adjust color like this. Select this layer and create this type color, depend your own choice. Okay, and my last is this for music. Open any other music file I have like this, drag there, simply write your anything here. I know you can do better, and here is gradient overlay. I think this color is better. Okay, write your any content here. I hope this data useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.